To be a function, you have to have one y value for every x. One y value for every x. So see how there's a 1. If I plug in 1, I get out 5. I plug in 1, I get out 5. Oh, that works. Plug in 2, I get out 5. I plug in 2, I get out 5. Okay. For every x, I get 1 y. Plug in 5, I get 4. Okay. 5, I get 4. No, that's nice. Now when I come over here, if I plug in 2, I get out negative 1.7-ish. If I plug in 4, I get negative 2. But if I plug in negative 2, I get 3, or I get negative point something. That's two different y values for the same x. If I plugged in negative 3, I would get 0 for y, and I would get 3 for y. And we can't have that to be called a function. Over here, look at here. I plug in 3 for my x, I get out a 3 or a 4. That makes it not a function because every x needs one y. Every x needs one y. Negative 4 gives me out 3. Negative 2 gives me out 3. 0 gives me 1. For every x, I only get one y. You can see how I drew this line through here, that vertical line. There's also something called the vertical line test. If you can draw a line, vertical line, and it intersects the graph twice, then it's not a function. Vertical line test, see how this x value gives me 1, 2, 3 y values. Can't be done. Every x gives me one y, and that's a function.